It's look like a difficult problem, but we can solve in 5 to 6 steps. Always remember, when the question is in cos and sine with different powers, try to convert it into 10 and sec. So the power in the denominator is cos cube x plus sine cube x. Okay, so here is the trick. What we can do, we can take common cos cube. So in the denominator, when you take cos cube x common, we are left with 1 plus sine cube x over cos cube x, right? And there is a whole square, so we put a whole square over there, right? We can keep the numerator same as it is, no change. Okay, right now we focus on the denominator. So 0 to pi by 4 cos squared x times sine squared x. So this is a whole square, correct? So square of the square of this term and this term. The square of this term is, which is cos cube x whole square, is becomes cos 6x, right? And this is sine over cos is 10, so that's become 1 plus 10 cube x whole square, right? We can cancel out the second power and the sixth power, so we are left with the fourth power in the denominator, is it? So this is 0 to pi by 4, right? 0 to pi by 4 is the limits, and we are left with sine square x over cos. We can write it like this. Cos 4x is left, so we can write it cos square x, cos square x. Okay, 1 plus 10 cube x whole square dx. This sine square x over cos square x become 10 square x, correct? So 10 square x in the numerator, correct? And 1 over cos square is sec square x, so I write sec square x, and in the denominator we are left with 1 plus 10 cube x over whole square, correct? So now you can take 1 plus 10 cube x as t, and let's use substitution method. So let 1 plus 10 cube x is equal to t. Differentiate the differentiation of 10 cube x, 3 10 square x, and the differentiation of 10x, which is 6 square x. So the differentiation of 10 cube x is 3 10 square x times 6 square x. That is differentiation with respect to x, and the differentiation 1 is 0, that you know. So this is the differentiation. So if dt, the value of dt is 3 10 square x, or you can write dt by 3 is equal to 10 square x into 6 square x times dx, correct? So 10 square x 6 square x dx can be written as dt by 3. So that's become dt by 3. I is equal to, so we change the limits also. So when x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to 1 plus 10 cube pi by 4. So 1 plus 10 pi by 4 is 1, so 1 cube, so that is 1 plus 1, that gives you 2. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 1 plus 10 is 0, that gives you 1, right? So the integral become 1 to 2, the integral become 1 to 2, and we are left with dt by 3, dt by 3 over 1 plus 10q is t, 1 plus 10q is t, so this is t square, right? So you can put 1 by 3 outside, to 1 to 2, 1 over t square dt. 1 over t square is what? T to the power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1 with the uh, limits 1 to 2. So that's give you 1 over 3 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, and t to the power minus 1 2 to 1. So minus 1 over 3, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1, correct? So that gives us minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, which gives us 1 over 6 as the answer, and it's done.